Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving Google Maps what it needs: location and microphone access. Once done, open the app and use the search bar or tap the mic to speak your destination. Make sure your start point is correct, your current location or a saved address, and switch to driving mode. After that, tap directions. The app will calculate routes immediately. You're now past setup and ready to select the best route option in the next step. You'll see multiple routes with ETA and colored traffic bars. Pick the fastest or the one you prefer. If you need to avoid tolls or highways, tap options and toggle choices before starting. Add intermediate stops by pressing the plus icon, rearrange them by dragging. Make sure voice guidance and lane guidance are on so you get spoken turns and lane prompts. Finally, enable the traffic layer to watch congestion change in real time. This helps you choose reroutes proactively. Press start and drive while following both the spoken instructions and on-screen arrows. You'll hear upcoming turns, distances, and lane guidance. As you approach, Maps shows an arrival preview and suggested parking areas when available. Tap the suggested lot to navigate there. If you miss a turn, Maps reroutes automatically. If navigation seems off, toggle device location, relaunch the app, and confirm permissions and battery saver settings. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues, so you can continue driving confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.